Hi there, Michael James, the Agile Aviator. So today I'm going to take the aircraft up, but we do have a little bit of an issue with the fog and the frost, which has made it difficult to determine whether I should turn up today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an idea of how this situation relates to Scrum and what we can learn from it.
Yes, that's right. We had a frosty and foggy morning and it made it a difficult decision on whether I should bother turning up to the airfield to see if I could go flying. And I had to do some forecasting and I had to think about the clarity of the skies, and this got me thinking about lessons that we can learn that relate to Scrum. In Scrum, we often start with some uncertainty. In fact, most of the time we start with uncertainty. We are working in the complex domain, doing things that we've not done before. So just like the fog on the ground here, at the beginning of a project, we don't always have perfect visibility, but we do have a clear vision and we do trust the process will get us through. Much like flying, I turned up and I've got to make calculated decisions to decide step by step whether I'm going to go and what I'm going to do about the conditions. And this is just like Scrum, which is all about making small incremental steps. Each sprint is like climbing through the fog to clearer skies, delivering value bit by bit and reducing uncertainty as we go. The more we work, the more we learn. Remember the cone of uncertainty. We get more sure about things as we start working because we get more information to rely on. Just like flying and my decision on whether to go today. I turned up to the airfield and now I know what the weather is like at this local area, and then when I get up into the air I can see further and then I can decide what I'm going to do with the flight. How far am I going to go? Am I going to stay local, or do I think I can go further out to the east, to the west, etc. So just like how I rely on weather forecasts to plan my flight, Scrum teams use their product backlog and sprint planning to forecast the best course forward. But here's the thing, whether it's flying through tricky weather or working in complex environments using Scrum, conditions are always going to change. That's why we inspect and adapt, responding to real-time developments as they happen. As the sun burnt off, some of the fog and the visibility improved, I could make that go or no-go decision, and thankfully today I decided I am going to go and I'm going to bring some amazing flying footage to you in this video. In the same way, Scrum emphasizes transparency. You need the sprint goal, and that is what you're working towards in the sprint, but you also need the product vision as well, and that is what you're working towards for the product. And tools like burn down charts and backlog refinements helps teams to see where they're going and make the best choices. So whether you're navigating a project or taking to the skies, Scrum teaches us to trust the process, adapt to what we learn, and climb towards clarity step by step. I hope you found value in this video. If you liked it, give me a subscribe and a thumbs up, that would be great. If you want to pass your Scrum certifications, check out my courses on Udemy and Learn Management Online, and you can check out other videos on my YouTube channel as well. I'm also on LinkedIn and I have a Facebook group where we talk about Scrum and AI and other things like that. So if you want to advance your career, you know where to go. I'm Michael James, the Agile Aviator. Thanks for watching.